What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. It means the world to me. I know you like fragrance reviews, unboxings, and free giveaways. So click that subscribe button right now so you get into new fragrances. Click the bell icon so you're notified when new fragrances come out and new updates and releases. So today's video, we're going to be talking about a fragrance, more of like a female fragrance, and it is Chanel L'Eau No. 5. If you like Chanel fragrances, stay tuned. You'll enjoy this one. So, Chanel L'Eau No. 5. This is just a little sample bottle they gave me at the Chanel place. Here's the inside with the information. It's the back. This is marketed as a female fragrance. I smelled it a few times. They gave me a free sample when I bought my Chanel fragrances for men. I enjoy the fragrance so far, and I'm going to break down some of the notes in the fragrance for you, ladies and gentlemen, and see if you like this fragrance. Off the bat, this fragrance has cedar, musk, jasmine, a yang. This fragrance, when I initially spray it on my skin and on a test strip, I get a very powdery fragrance, very powdery. Like once you spray it, it's very strong. I get the citrus in it. Towards the dry down, I get more of like the musk type of vibe in the fragrance. It's okay. I just really like to open it more. Projection wise on my skin, I get about 1.5 to 2 hours on my skin. It's not too bad, pretty good. Longevity wise, where I really feel really happy about this fragrance, I get a solid 8 hours on my skin. Some people might get less or more. It all depends on your skin chemistry. So you have to actually go to the store and try this fragrance out. But so far, longevity wise and projection wise, it's good. It's a solid, very good deal for me. I enjoy it a lot. Price for this is kind of steep. You're going to look between $80 up to $135 for this fragrance. You can pick it up at Nordstrom, Sephora, Macy's. They all have this fragrance. It's more towards in the female selection of fragrances for women, like perfumes and stuff. But I do enjoy it. Is this a fragrance that I might buy down the road? Maybe. This is more of a female fragrance, but some men can pull it off if you want to, but it's not like a masculine scent like the muscle type of guy. It's not. This is more of just a regular guy who wants to wear a fragrance, smell good. This will go on a compliments, but it is leaning towards the female side. So keep that in mind when you buy this fragrance. It does have that off-putting like a female perfume fragrance. I enjoy this fragrance a lot. The price is kind of high. It's about $80 for the standard small bottle. But Chanel fragrances, usually there's never discounts on it. Usually whatever the price Chanel is, that's what it is. You can check for discounted, but I wouldn't see any. I just found this at the normal boutique fragrance stores, and that's pretty much it. When you talk about occasion, season when to wear this, I can see wearing this in the spring, summer months. I enjoy it. If you are a female that wants to try this fragrance out, I highly recommend try this out. Chanel L'Eau No. 5. It's a great fragrance. If you're a guy and you want to try something different in your fragrance collection, give this a try. You can't go wrong with this fragrance. At first, I was off-put by it. Like, I don't think I want this. And they gave me the free sample, and I was like, oh, it smells really good. I do like it. It's different. Not everybody's going to have this fragrance on. Maybe more females than males, but it's a great fragrance. If you're a guy, you should definitely give this a try and see if you like it. If you're a female, you might already have tried this or like this. So it's up to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. If you do like fragrances, unboxings, and giveaways, and reviews, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new fragrance reviews, unboxings, and giveaways. Thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate it a lot. If you do like this fragrance or have tried it, leave a comment below letting me know so I can hear you guys out. And after that, thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day. Peace.